Hi everyone, let's kick off the fifth part of our Python learning series on the Learning Stars channel. First, let's go over the answer to the previous session question. As you see, the answer is 220. As you know, Python executes codes line by line, meaning it processes each line separately before moving on to the next. So the solution to the previous question is as follows. We first set the value of C to 100, then the value of B to 50. However, in the next line, the value of B changes to 100 plus 20, making the new value of B 120, not 50. Then, therefore, the value displayed will be 100 plus 120, which equals to 220. Now, let's dive into the new topic for this session. The essential operation we can perform on numbers. The first operation, as you know, is addition. The next one we will explore are subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponential. To understand subtraction better, let's use the following variables and examples. Let's make an example in new code. First, we create a variable x and assign it the value of 20. Next, we create the variable y and assign the value 5 to it. Now, just like we did with addition, we will perform subtraction and store all of the data in the Z. Okay, now next we'll create variable R and try the multiplication. Let's try with the values. Okay, now let's print them. Print Z, print R. It's right. 20 minus 5 is 15 and 20 multiplied by 5 is 100. As you see, Python is a line. Python run the code line by line. Because of that, the 15 is the Z and the 100 is for R, because the Z is upper code in the upper line in this code. Now, let's see how we can do multiplication. Let's add a new line. Okay, for exponential, we can simply write S is equal to 2, 8. If we print S, it will show the exponential. Now, we can follow a similar process for the division. Now, let's check that. Okay, we make C that is equal to 8 division divided by 2. Now, let's print C. As you see, the C is equal to 4, and that is right. Okay, I hope you are not too tired. The first few sessions can be a bit overwhelming, but it gets easier as we progress. So please be patient. 2 of you sent in the correct answer for the previous session exercise. So congratulations. For this session exercise, we will have the following. You are given 3 variables called A, B, and C with values 5, 10, and 50 respectively. Write a program that displays the result of multiplication, division, and raising these numbers to the power of 2. We will go over to answer in the next session. Until then, take care. Thanks for watching.